Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. On today's video, we'll show you how to use the most trending AI tool called the ChatGPT. Okay, so let's go to Google and search for ChatGPT. And let's click on the second link. It will take you to their website. This AI was launched by OpenAI in November 2022. Okay, so you can watch video and also view the careers. Okay, so let's click on the API on the menu where you can log in and also sign up. If you don't have an account, you click on the sign up, which you can sign up with your Gmail or your Microsoft account. Okay, I have an account, so I'll log in with my Gmail. When you successfully log in, it will take you to their web page where you see the Welcome OpenAI. Okay, so you can watch a quick tutorials and also examples. On the menu, we have the overview and also the documentation. For the documentation, you see the introduction, overview, key concepts, and also the steps and the guides and the fine-tuning. Okay, so we have the example where you see the features. That is the question and answers, the grammar corrections, the text to command, the English to other languages. We have a lot more features which you can use. So this AI provides you with relevant keywords and also performs a check on your content. Let's go to the menu and click on the playground. The playground is more like the workspace where you'll be using the chats and also the question and answers. And we have a lot of tools there, like the temperature, the model, the mode. Okay, so when we go to the model, we have the test DaVinci 003. That is the latest model. For example and see the various tools there. This AI generates creative content for us, and it performs quality check on your content too. This feature is the SQL Translate, and I think it will be taking away my job. It's very powerful. So you have the statement and it will give you the query. You can try that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and also comment. See you on the next video. Peace.